Hello everyone, my name is Ming. Today in this video I'm going to share a quick tip about Fujifilm X-T2 and how you can zoom really close to your focus point to make sure your photo is in focus even before you take the photo. Not a long time ago, I published another video how I ensure sharpness on Fuji X-T2, and in that video I said Fuji X-T2 didn't allow you to zoom in to 100% scale when you review raw files. And today this quick tip is related to that, and basically I'm going to show you how you can zoom in really close to your focus point to check focus before you take the photo. Alright, it's super easy to set up. So first you need to press and hold display button and goes into button setting menu. Then goes to rear dial and set it to focus check. And I believe the default setting for rear dial is focus check already. So whenever you try to focus, you just press the rear dial. And that will goes to about 2.5 times the magnification. But if you want to go further, you just rotate the rear dial and it will go to 6 times magnification, which gives you the ability to zoom in really close to your focus point to check your focus. So that way you can make sure your photo will be sharp, and that area will be sharp even before you take the photo. I think that's a really good way to make sure your photo is sharp. Alright, that's the quick tip for today, and if you would like to see more quick tips just like this one, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you have a fantastic day and hope to see you next time. Bye.